Hi there, Sarah from the Echo Health team here. Today we are going to review how to access and listen to the live stream from the telehealth consultant side. The telehealth consultant may access the live stream link through a number of ways. First, the initiating site may email the link directly to the provider. When the live stream link appears in your inbox, just click Listen Now to join the live stream. From there, you will see the waveforms and hear the audio coming from the patient side. The second way to access the live stream is through the customized dashboard set up for your institution. Upon logging in to the dashboard for your institution, you'll immediately land on a list of the live stream sites available to you. You'll select the site that your telemedicine visit is scheduled with. Today, we are going to consult with Echo South. Simply click Visit Livestream to access the audio. A third option is that the initiating site may also copy and paste the URL into a chat function of your video call, as in Zoom. When you select the link, it'll open up the live stream in a new window. When listening to the live stream, it is important to make note of a few best practices. First and foremost, the live stream is only accessible from Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. The live stream will not work with Internet Explorer. We always recommend listening to the live stream using high-quality wired headphones, as external computer speakers are not optimized for lower frequencies. If you are listening to the live stream on a Windows PC, you may need to adjust the volume settings to ensure that Windows does not automatically knock down the volume of your live stream while on a video call. To make that adjustment, you may search for the control panel in the search bar, select Hardware and Sound, select Sound again, and navigate to Communications. Be sure to select Do Nothing, hit Apply, and OK. To review our recommended best practices for live streaming in depth, please navigate to our support portal at support.echohealth.com and select Live Stream. Thank you for tuning in.